If you're living in Manhattan, Brooklyn, or Queens and looking for more space without giving up access to New York City, this home in Dix Hills is perfect for you. Now, when you first arrive at this property, the scale just stands out. Set on approximately an acre of land, it offers privacy, outdoor space, and those are qualities that are increasingly becoming difficult to find on Long Island. Dix Hills, by the way, continues to attract doctors, attorneys, executives, and business owners because it offers a rare combination of luxury living and convenient access to New York City. Once you step inside, look at this chandelier that immediately welcomes you, and these soaring ceilings, natural light, and modern open layout. One of the biggest advantages of new construction like this home is that everything is done for you. You just move in and enjoy. Now, the main living spaces flow seamlessly together, creating the perfect environment for entertaining, hosting family gatherings, and simply enjoying everyday life. Now, this could be a large TV area where you can watch games, entertain guests, host holidays, and you have this additional space back here, which can serve as a second TV area. And once you head upstairs, you'll find spacious bedrooms, each with its own bathroom that can easily accommodate family, guests, possibly a fitness room if you wanted. By the way, this home has a finished basement that is massive. Look at these bathrooms. It's just the quality of work that was done here is beautiful. It's modern. It's natural. It has a lot of light. It's spa inspired. It's the perfect place and perfect home to unwind after a busy day for you and your whoever you choose to buy this home with. Now, here's another bedroom. Also has its own primary bathroom. Not primary, I should say, but it has its own ensuite, right? Now, look at this beautiful, beautiful laundry room located on the second floor in between all of the bedrooms, right? Can you imagine? I would die if I had that laundry room. This is the primary suite, okay? It feels like a private retreat the size of this is bigger than most of New York City apartments, to be honest. It has generous proportions, beautiful natural light, and a spa-inspired bathroom. Once again, it's a perfect place to unwind after a busy day. Now, you have a double vanity, you have a tub, but you also have a stand-up shower, which is not in this video, but it's promise me it's there, okay? Now, this is my favorite part of this home, and only because it is connected to the kitchen and second TV area of this home. But it is potentially a mother-daughter space or an in-law suite, like is becoming more and more common. There's a separate outside entrance. It has its own separate driveway, which I'll show you in a bit, but it has its own bathroom, closets. It could be a small studio for a parent, or older son that's moved back in from school and trying to get settled in. But it gives you a ton of flexibility. This could also be an apartment or a business that you can help generate business for yourself for, right? So this is the hallway leading into that space. I'll call it like an accessory rental apartment. There's also a half bath, right? This is the separate entrance, and I'll show you here in a second what I mean. If you were to rent this out or have family coming in and staying there, they have their own separate entrance, walkway, and parking, right? And so here's another view of what that separate outside private entrance could look like, right? Once again, one of the biggest features is that separate living area that offers a lot of flexibility for extended family, guests, or possibly a dedicated workspace for an architect, accountant, lawyer that wants to have an office from home. But having the options is valuable, right? And this is what that home offers. Now, let's step outside. Many buyers relocating from New York City, this is where the dream becomes a reality. Imagine summer gatherings. This is close to an acre of property here. You have room for a dog run, space for a future pool, or simply enjoying the privacy that comes with owning an acre of property. Now, you saw that basketball hoop back there? Let's go Knicks, right? And finally, let's take a look at the heart of the home, the kitchen, featuring premium finishes, an oversized island, and an open design. This is the space where family and friends naturally come together. What makes this property special isn't just the size or the finishes, it's the lifestyle. More space, more privacy, more flexibility, all while remaining within reach of New York City. Thanks for taking the tour, and I'll see you on the next one. Contact me for any private showings. Thank you.